Well, hey guys, today we're working on a 2007 F150. Seems it has a number 5 coil pack that's bad, and we're going to be replacing it. So let's dive into this sucker and get her done. Okay guys, today we are replacing a coil pack on a 2007 F150. We're going to take this snorkel. Is so easy to come off here. You just kind of pull it up and out, and it comes right off. All right. This is the coil pack that we're going for right here. It's easy to get to, and we're gonna go ahead and get that sucker out right now. I got the new ones in. I am using number 8, I believe it is. Yeah, number 7. Using a number 7 socket. And I've already got this bolt here loose. This is the number 5. So I just got to get that bolt out. And then we'll take the coil pack out. But the bolt normally falls somewhere and you can't get it. So, there's the coil pack, the bad one. Alright, we got the old one out. We're going to get our silicone boot grease and we're going to put it in here. Just get a nice little dab. Alrighty. And it's just a reverse install there, guys. Goes out, comes out the same way it goes in. You know what? I'm going to put a little bit of grease around that boot, make it slide in a little bit easier. Work this around with my finger. This will make the seal a little bit better too. All right. That slid in there really nice and tight. It's important to always get these bolts started with your fingers. You don't want these to be cross-threaded. That's a very hard bolt to tap and die out or drill out if you break it off. Plus you're going into aluminum, so you really got to be mindful of that. You don't want to over tighten them, you just want to wrench down on it. Yeah, we'll get this back on. guys, just for a little reinsurance, I'm going to put that cable tie back on there and make sure it stays on real good. Well, there we go. I got the zip tie or cable tie on there, and hopefully it'll hold it down to where, you know, it doesn't pop off. So we got the new coil pack installed. Now, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and take off the battery cable for about 15 or 20 minutes, and it would reset all the codes. But my customer's itching to go. He don't have time for that right now, so we'll do that later. All I gotta do is put the snorkel back on, and we will be good to go. There you go. The snorkel's on. It's just so cumbersome. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Might be hard to do with four hands too. Anyway, there's the bolt that it sits on. You don't really have to take that out. That's a slotted U-shape fitting, whatever you want to call it. You can just slide it right off of that, slide it right back on. But this snorkel here is really easy. But this job is complete, guys. Well, guys, that was a quick and easy job on this 2007 F150. That was a number 5 coil pack, and it's now replaced and new. And I went ahead and reset the trouble codes, and the light is off for the engine right now. So we're going to go ahead and monitor it. So I put that T-Mobile hotspot, or what do you call that, sync up drive. I put that in there. So that's all done, and the customer's going to drive it for a little while, and if there's anything else pops up, then I'll get notified right away. So anyhow, thanks for watching Double Trouble Garage. Please subscribe, like, and follow. It helps me out tremendously, more than you know. Till next time, see ya.